Alright, what's up guys? So I just want to talk about Solana real quick this morning because it has been pumping like crazy over the past month or two. It's actually up almost 200%, and it's basically just gone straight up without any pullback yet. So obviously it's going to be more risky if you buy it right now because it's more likely to have a pullback. And if it does have a pullback, where's that level going to be? And then where could possibly be the next level up that we shoot to, or do we just go straight up to the moon? So I'm going to cover that in this video. Before I do that, if you guys are new to this channel, help me grow the channel, hit subscribe, hit the like button. Otherwise, YouTube won't show this video to anybody. Alright, appreciate you guys for doing that, and let's jump into the details here. Alright, so you could see this rally started when Solana was right here at basically at $23 or $24, right? It was hovering around this line you could see for months, basically to the start of 2023. And so the whole beginning of the year, since January, $23, basically sideways, January, February, March, April, May. All right, this thing's just been going sideways in that 23 to 25 level, you could say. All right, and then from there, all right, we zoom in now in, let's see, this was October 23, so a week before Halloween. All right, Solana just starts going wild. It's like, all right, we're up 24, 26, now we're at 30. Okay, we're not even going to take a stop at 30. We're just going to keep going up, 32. It'll take a little pause for like a couple days at 32. But no, we're not going to pull back from there. We're just going to keep going now. We're going to keep going up to 40. We're going to keep going. We're going to take another like 2-day pause at like 42. But you know what? It's not good enough. We're going to keep going up from there. We're going to keep going straight up, man. Now we're going up big time. Big green candle up to $56, $57. And then you finally get here like your first, like what you could even call a pullback, when you go from 57 to 52, which is basically, you know, not even like what, 10%, like a 9% or 8% pullback there. Then you have immediately after that more green candles back now up to 65. Okay, and then 65 comes back down real quick, back down to 58, and here we are today right at 60. The last price right now 60. Actually, it's just hovering around 60, so you can see right there live price. And we're using Coinbase Advanced Trading, by the way, here. All right, so let's zoom back out, right? Because that's what you have to do. You have to zoom out and just put things in perspective for a second. So look at this chart. Look what Solana did during the last run. All right, this is like eerily similar to this here, right? Where is it out now? Right here. So you could make this argument. Number one, let's go back to the last rally. If you want to use this one as a guideline, Solana's got a long way to go. Solana could go up to 200. You could make the argument. All right, and it could happen because that happened real quick back then. Let's see in 2021 how fast that happened from the current level that we are right now, which was in August, to where it peaked September. So literally that's 1 month. Okay, so last time, but that was the peak rally. I don't think we're hitting peak rally now, but I'm just saying, you know, just put that in perspective because it does have the potential to run like that in a month if things get hot. But I don't think that's the more likely scenario. I do think, all right, so right here, right? You see this red line? You see this pullback here first? That's probably, so because there's nothing else in between there, right? So let's zoom in on that one here. Get a little bit of it. All right, so then where did it pull back? So we went up to 78, right? And then it pulled back to 68 or 70. So if we shoot through here on Solana, well, first of all, where does it pull back if it does pull back? Because you have two options at this point. Does it pull back or does it keep going straight up? I think more than likely maybe you get a little bit of a pullback here and over the next couple of days. And if so, where's the basically where are you looking to get in? Because right now we're at 60, right? So because you don't want to miss. It's like FOMO. You fear missing out, and then you get in, but then boom, you get wrecked because it ends up pulling back 10 or 15% or whatever. So that's obviously an option or pretty big potential, I guess, at this point. So if it does do that, where's a good entry level? Well, I would say 47 right there looks good. But could go 54. 54 I think is more likely, because I don't think we're going to get that big. I say 2 levels. So you have the 48 or 47 basically there. If not, you could say the 55 to 56 if it's a smaller pullback, 55 to 56. Okay? And then, so those are your 2 pullback areas. I don't think, like I said, I don't think it's going to pull back too much. But if we do get a big pullback, I do think you get it back down to 47 or 48 right there, and that would be a great price if you can get back in there. So it'll take a couple days to play out. It's more of like a swing trades type of video and channel. I don't do the day-to-day trades, so I'm just showing you setups and what looks good. And obviously, Solana is bullish. That it works. It's fast, and so I do think there's some potential gains to come here. It's just a matter of time. So we have those 2 levels for the pullback, and then let's see basically the next level. We go up to here. Yeah, so the 78 to 80 range would be the next pump level, which is basically 33%, 30 to 35% gains from where we are right now. And so I think that's probably more than likely. And then if we if we surpass that level, you're really looking. I mean, it's not really too clear over here, but I would make the argument it does another pit stop around 100. So those are my those are my 2 next levels on Solana, and it's not based on any science or anything. It's just you guys could see my chart techniques. It's nothing scientific, and I don't think all those chart. I just use basic levels of resistance and support, and trend, and the trend is your friend. And I think all that other stuff doesn't really matter too much when you're in a bull cycle. So. You just got to know which ones to choose and when to get in, and if you focus on those 2 key factors, then then you're okay. So obviously not financial advice, but there you go. There's my update on Solana. If you guys found value in this video, do me a favor, hit that like button, just smash it into oblivion for me, so that this way other people will be able to see this video, and leave a comment down below as well. Let's talk. Let me know how you feel about Solana, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.